Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a DIY of an Easter bunny. Kind of like the little lollipop one that I did, but this involves 4 plastic bowls, and then I got stuff. Everything is from the Dollar Tree to fill it. So we got some Easter grass, we got a chocolate bunny, they have some Cold-Stone cake batter popcorn, looks yummy. Some Krabby Patties. We have some Peeps cotton candy, a little paint kit, some Easter bunny ears and the feet, a little Play-Doh kit, these little eggs, some Reese's, and Sour Patch Kids. So we are going to create an Easter bunny. I didn't see any big eyes, so I just took some construction or some paper and made my own eyes in my glue, and I colored a pink nose. You need some tape and your glue gun to glue the top. So let's get to it. So here's my finished product. I hope you guys liked it. Please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and turn on notifications to see the next video. And I'm gonna glue this on. But it's a fun thing to make, and it's all from the Dollar Tree. I hope you liked it. Have a great day.